In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Wise account to Xero, a popular accounting software used by businesses worldwide. This connection enables seamless financial management, allowing transactions to flow directly from Wise into your Xero account, saving you time and reducing errors. So let's dive straight into the steps you need to take to make this integration happen. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Wise and hit Enter. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, offers various features to facilitate international money transfers and much more, so they'll be the link we're looking for. Once the search results are displayed, look for the official Wise website. It should be one of the top results. Click on that link to visit their site. Once you're on the Wise homepage, you'll want to locate your personal account settings. Do this by navigating to the top right corner where your account name is displayed. Click on your name to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various account management options, which we'll use to find the integration settings. In the drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Integrations and Tools and select it. This section of the website is crucial as it hosts all the potential integrations your Wise account can have with other platforms. By using these integrations, you can streamline your financial processes significantly. Next, within the Integrations and Tools section, locate and click on Apps and Software. This will take you to another page that hosts a list of different applications that Wise can connect with. It's a central hub for enhancing your Wise account's capabilities, and Xero is one of the options available here. Now, on the Apps and Software page, find Connect and click on it. This is the action that will initiate the process of linking Wise to another application. Each application has a different process, but Wise has streamlined it to be as straightforward as possible. When you see a list of compatible applications, go ahead and select Connect to Xero. This link will guide you through the necessary authorization steps, effectively setting up the integration between your Wise and Xero accounts. You'll find yourself on a new page that asks for permission to connect. Finally, allow access by clicking Allow Access. Doing this authorizes Wise to interact with Xero on behalf of your account, enabling data to flow smoothly between the two platforms. And with that, your Wise account should now be successfully linked to Xero. Remember that these integrations are designed to simplify your workflow, reducing manual entry and minimizing the chance of human error. If you run into any challenges during this process, make sure to refer to Wise's customer support for tailored assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your accounts connected.